Hi, thank you for tuning into CMTEQ channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple ways or methods to generate a PWM signal using an Arduino Uno board. As you can see here, I've got an Arduino board with a rather interesting add-on here, and I'm currently generating a 490 Hz frequency with a duty cycle of 42%. Now, this is just a one way to generate a PWM signal that I've got loaded in here. If you stick around, you're going to learn 4 simple ways to generate a PWM signal with an Arduino Uno powered by the Atmega 328 microcontrollers. Now, before we can dive in, let's make sure that we are all on the same page. If you are here, it basically means you already know what is a PWM signal and its importance in power electronics, controllers, gate drivers, and obviously embedded systems application. But to make sure that we all understand the signal that we are currently viewing, let's just recap quickly on what exactly is a PWM signal. Now, in this tutorial, we've covered quite a bit of theory about the PWM signal, what actually is a PWM signal. So it took us a couple of minutes to explain that. Now, we've also done with our very first method on how to generate a PWM signal, basically with a simple analog, right? So to keep this tutorial optimum, I'm going to stop it here before it gets too long. So watch out for part 2, where we're going to talk about the second, third, and the fourth methods, and we're going to squeeze that into one part to basically complete this with 2 tutorials. So if you find it useful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CMTEQ channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial. Until next time, cheers.